By default, when you create groups in Brightspace, each subgroup will just be given a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to give them more specific names, maybe about what that group will be doing, here's how you change the name. So I am in the course admin groups area, and I'm selecting a group I already created. If I want to change the kind of the way the name appears for any of the groups, I just need to click on the name. So instead of group project 1, if I wanted to say group project 1 and then maybe a topic the group will do, I can change the group name here, can add a description if I want, and click on save, and then repeat that for all the others. Once I have renamed them, when the students go to choose their group, instead of just saying group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, they will see the names I gave the group, so it might be easier for them to choose the one that interests them, for example. So that's how to rename your groups so they're more meaningful than just group 1, group 2, group 3.